Passionfruit Umeshu cocktail. Light, tangy, refreshing. It's a perfect summertime drink to pair with your yakitori dinners. Hey Yaki Gang, Yakitori Guy here. Today I wanted to talk about one of my favorite ingredients, the ume, which is a Japanese plum. The pickled version of ume, which is called umeboshi. If you chop it up, you can make it into paste, or you can buy a tube like this. I like to put that on top of my chicken tenders, my shiso maki, as well as a side dish with cucumbers called umekyu. The umeboshi is a Japanese pickled plum. It is a staple of Japanese pantries. And umeboshi is basically made by taking these unripened plums, some sea salt, letting it dry out, and storing it in a container with some red shiso leaves, which gives it this distinctive red color. Now, if you take these same plums, combine it with some rock sugar and shochu, and wait about half a year, you're gonna get umeshu, which is basically ume infused liquor. And today I wanted to combine these three ingredients in this jar and start my own umeshu batch. And I also want to show you a nice, refreshing summer cocktail made with umeshu. Go ahead by cleaning these. Use a toothpick, or for us Yaki Gang, a yakitori skewer, and take off these stems. If you find any of the fruit that's moldy or looks bad, let's discard it so it's not going to ruin the batch. Alright, so I got the clean ume, a sterilized clean jar, my shochu, and rock sugar. Let's put this together. Adding some ume and some rock sugar. Ume, some sugar. It's gonna go in layers. And let's add some shochu. This is Nankai Shochu. It's made from kokuto. It's really tasty, really high-end shochu right here. Smells good already. So Nankai Shochu, on its own, it's definitely, I want to say on more of a fruitier side compared to other shochus or sojus out there where you get that hit of the alcoholic smell. This is definitely more fruity. So looking forward to what this Nankai version of umeshu is going to be. And for umeshu, you can also use other shochus, Ichiko, Takara. There's other cheaper shochus you can use, but trying to see what this Nankai Shochu will be like. Getting that last drop. Let's seal it. Put a Yaki Gang sticker on it. Put today's date and store it in a cool, dark place. And now all we have to do is wait 6 months. So I hope to do a follow-up video where I can open this up and taste it, and hopefully everything works out. This is my first time making it. Hopefully nothing spoils or anything. Looking forward to the half-a-year mark. Go ahead and start this umeshu drink. So first of all, you're gonna need umeshu. This is a Choya brand. You're pretty much gonna find this at Asian grocery stores everywhere. Green bottle, got the ume in here. We got some Passionfruit Lacroix. Ice, I prefer to use cubed ice. Shiso leaves, and a shorter glass, one that you'll use for old-fashioned or drinking on the rocks. All right, so let's chiffonade some shiso leaves. Just roll it up, cut them very thin. Shiso leaf adds nice earthy floral notes. If you can't find shiso leaves, you can probably substitute it with basil leaves or mint leaves. And in a short glass, let's add cubed ice. I'm gonna fill about 2 ounces of umeshu right here. And about 1 ounce of Passionfruit Lacroix. Top it off with the shiso leaves. There you have it. Very simple. It's basic ingredients of umeshu, passion fruit, and shiso leaves. Passion fruit, umeshu, shiso. It's perfect as a first drink to serve at your yakitori dinners. Kanpai. Alright, so that's it for today's video, introducing you to Umeboshi, Umeshu. Hopefully you have a chance to check those out at your local Asian grocery stores and incorporate that into yakitori dinners. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to give a thumbs up, write in the comments, and subscribe. And if you really enjoyed it, you can always donate a chicken. It really helps support this channel. All right, that's it for today. See you in the next video. Bye, Yaki Gang. Umeboshi or Shiso Ume on this side. And you see the Shiso Maki or surf and turf. So the trimmings wrapped in shiso leaf with ume sauce, and then the small fish on top.